How many ways are there that a car sales jockey can get your money? Oh, they're good at it. Here's the ways they can get your money. They can play games with the sales price of the car you want to buy. They can mess around with the financing. They can mess around with what they're going to give you for your trade-in. They can mess around with the interest rate they're going to charge you. They can mess around with you by upselling you a bunch of warranties that you really don't need. Oh, there are many ways a car sales person can get your money. That's why when I go in a deal on a car, which is every 2.5 years, I say I only want a lease. Don't try to sell me a car. I want a lease. Okay? Block them there. I want 36-month lease. I block them there. I don't want to put any money down. I block them there. I have an excellent credit score, so they can't play around with the interest rate. And I bring no trade-in to the deal. So what's left between me and the sales jockey? The monthly payment. That's all he can negotiate with me, is the monthly payment. And that's what I love, because then I know exactly what I'm getting. I don't have any other factors involved except negotiating the monthly